reach for the snooze button, but your limbs have already committed to a full yoga sequence. The squad realizes there is only one piece of pizza left, and the vibes immediately shift from friendship to a tactical huddle. You ordered a taxi but realized mid-trip that you forgot your wallet, and now you have to branch manager and assistant branch manager heading to an important meeting to discuss the think you want a taste of the drama, but then you remember you're literally just a cat, and that's kimchi. You decide to host a high-stakes hermit crab race but forget that the athletes are biologically programmed to trying to stay mad, but the belly rubs are a solid 10 out of 10. Decide that personal space is a myth and your best friend is officially a mattress. Thirst is real, but you have zero budget for a bowl. You just gotta improvise with the local water truck. He is not just You forget to turn the porch light off and the local forest squad shows up to ask if you have any games on your phone. In to find a crime scene, and the prime suspect still has the evidence in his mouth. He is not even sorry. You are 5 minutes into the meeting and realize it could have been an email. You're 3 minutes into a workout and realize your true calling is being a decorative potato. You realize the tea is actually hot bean juice and your life is requested a cat and instead they delivered a sentient toasted marshmallow with legs. You're trying to stay mad, but the head scratches are a 10 out of 10. Trying to make a move, but the ledge is narrow and your social skills are narrower. Trying to enjoy your nap but your mom is using you as a literal stress ball. Finished the gardening. Do not check my work. Just accept that this is how the room looks now. You're trying to enjoy your existential crisis and your mom decides it's time for a bath. Trying to be a fierce wolf but the roommate hasn't finished their morning coffee yet. Would you like me to try a version with a different tone, like a conversation between the two? You're trying to enjoy a nice back scratch but your child decides it's the perfect time to crawl back into the house. One salad thinking I have achieved peak health and fitness. You're trying to enjoy your snack in peace but your dramatic friend decides it's actually our snack. That side eye in the middle is the international symbol for I saw you open that wrapper from. You try to pull off the disappearing blanket trick but your dog. You're 90% water but that last 10% of land is Your dog thinks he is the main character but the bird has clearly been training in the shadow realm. This bird realize you left your phone unlocked and hear your partner start to scroll. You're 10% goat and 90% turtleneck. You're dreaming about an infinite supply of tuna but your tiny toe beans keep waking you up. Trying to redecorate but your interior designer is literally a bird brain who thinks a used napkin is the height of luxury. I have spent years perfecting the art of the stoic gaze only to be defeated by the structural integrity of a plastic flower pot. My dignity is currently at 5% and dropping. followed the trail of destruction and it led straight to a witness who was clearly planning to plead the fifth. That face says it was definitely the cat even though we do not own a cat. Trying to figure out which of your coworkers is a good boy but you suspect it's a corporate conspiracy.